वेलकम यू ऑल, स्वागत है। ये साइंस टेक का टॉपिक आपके लिए। ये जो टॉपिक है हाइब्रिड ईवीएस इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स। Come to the introduction. Electric vehicles play a crucial game or the role in achieving a net zero emissions future. First point of significance with respect to hybrid electric vehicles. In economically developing countries like ours, hybrid electric vehicles offer an opportunity to kick-start the shift towards sustainable transportation while overcoming challenges linked with full electric vehicle adoption. This is the introduction. Electric vehicles play a crucial role in achieving non-zero emissions future. Important point. And in economically developing countries like India, hybrid electric vehicles offer an opportunity to kick-start the shift towards sustainable transportation while overcoming challenges associated with full electric vehicle adoption. Now come to the types of electric vehicles. Hybrid electric vehicle combines an internal combustion engine IC with an electrical generator and a small battery 1 to 5 kilowatt hour as an energy buffer. It cannot be charged from the grid. See the types. Hybrid electric vehicles. Hybrid electric vehicles combines an internal combustion engine with an electrical generator and a small battery, right, of 1 to 5 kilowatt hour as an energy buffer. It cannot be charged from the grid. Important point. Next, full electric vehicle has no IC and runs solely on electric power. Uses a large battery 20 to 120 kilowatt hour and can be charged from the grid. Point of difference. पहले वाले से this cannot be charged from the grid. Hybrid electric vehicle cannot be charged. ये चार्ज नहीं किया जा सकते ग्रिड से। और इसमें क्या है, इंटरनल कंबशन इंजन होता है हाइब्रिड इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल में। लेकिन जब अभी हम देखते हैं फुल इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल में, तो क्या इट कैन बी चार्ज ग्रिड और इसमें आईसी नहीं होता। बैटरी 20 to 120 kilowatt hour. Next, plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. It's similar to a hybrid electric vehicle but with a large battery 5 to 15 kilowatt hour that can be charged from the grid and can operate in fully electric model for short commutes. Full electric vehicle has no IC and runs solely on electric power, uses a large battery 20 to 120 kilowatt. You can compare it with the previous page, kilowatt hour, and can be charged from the grid. Plug-in hybrid electric vehicle is similar to hybrid electric vehicle but with a larger battery 5 to 15 kilowatt hour that can be charged from the grid and cooperate in fully electric mode for short commutes. Fuel economy and emissions. Hybrid electric vehicles have 1.5 to 2 by higher fuel economy than conventional ICE vehicles for city driving, and 1 to 5 x higher for highway driving. Plug-in hybrid electric vehicles offer 3 to 4 by higher fuel economy than conventional vehicles during short commutes. So these are the points. See, fuel economy and emissions. See the facts. Heavy electric vehicles have 1.5 to 2 higher fuel economy than conventional ICE vehicles for city driving, and 1 to 1.5 more higher for highway driving. And next, plug-in hybrid electric vehicles offer 3 to 4 by higher fuel economy than conventional vehicles during short commutes. Now see the life cycle emissions. जो हमारा जीवन काल उत्सर्जन, इसको देखें. So life cycle emissions analysis specific to full electric vehicles can result in 19 to 34 lower emissions by sedans and 38 to 49% by SUVs even in fossil fuel dominated energy mix regions. Hybrid electric vehicles have 20 to 23% lower life cycle emissions compared to conventional electric vehicles in Europe. See the points. So now it's all clear. Now come to the challenges. Challenges with the transportation, with the transitioning to mobility, electric mobility. Challenges in transitioning electric mobility. Fast charging infrastructure needs power levels of 50 to 350 kilowatt for cars, very important points, and up to 1000 kilowatt for heavy duty vehicles. Lack for fast charging discourages full electric vehicles adoption. These are the limitations. See, lack of fast charging डिस्करेज, चूँकि जो तीव्र गति से चार्जिंग हो सके बैटरी का, ये इसकी कमी है, जिसकी वजह से फुल इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल जो है एडॉप्ट करना, लागू करना, इट्स डिफ़िकल्ट. लिमिटेड ग्रिड एक्सेस एंड रिलायबिलिटी. Limited grid access and reliability. Many economically developing nations lack reliable access to the grid, hindering electric vehicle charging. High vehicle cost, mass market electric vehicle price points are low in developing countries, making electric vehicles with longer range costlier due to high battery cost. Important point. Now come to the role of hybrid electric vehicles in decarbonization. Important point. Hybrid electric vehicles, both full and plug-in, offer a practical and cost-effective solution to lower emissions in the interim. And the next point, they drastically reduce fuel costs, emissions and oil imports with higher fuel economy in electric mode. This is the point. Role of hybrid electric vehicles in decarbonization. See this page. Regenerative braking and engine stop mechanisms for the improved fuel economy in hybrid electric vehicles. Heavy electric vehicles can match several benefits of full electric vehicles regarding emissions and performance without requiring large batteries. Regenerative braking, important point, and engine start-stop mechanism. It improves fuel economy in hybrid electric vehicles, and hybrid electric vehicles can match several benefits of full electric vehicles regarding emissions and performance without requiring large batteries. Now, to conclude, hybrid electric vehicles provide an important transition strategy for economically developing countries like ours. They offer fuel economy and emissions benefits while addressing the challenges of limited grid access and high vehicle costs. So this is the point to conclude. Heavy electric vehicles provide an important transition strategy for economically developing countries like ours. They offer fuel economy and emissions benefits while addressing the challenges of limited grid access and high vehicle costs. Full electric vehicles remain the ultimate goal, but in the short term, hybrid electric vehicles present a practical and sustainable solution towards net zero emissions in the transport sector. Full electric vehicles remain the ultimate goal, but in the short run, hybrid electric vehicles present a practical and sustainable solution towards net zero emissions in the transport sector. Remember this point. इस तरीके से देखा कि ये हमारे पास जो हाइब्रिड इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स है हमारे ट्रांसपोर्टेशन के लिए कितने फ़ायदे हैं, इनके कंपोनेंट्स क्या है, चुनौतियाँ क्या है, और फिर कैसे ही हमारा जो एमिशंस कार्बन है इसको रिड्यूस करने में कैसे ही कारगर हो सकता है। लेकिन इसके बाद भी कि ये जो है नॉर्मल मार्केट में आए, इसके लिए कई लेवल की चुनौतियां हैं। ऑन द पार्ट ऑफ द चार्जिंग, ऑन द पार्ट ऑफ द बैटरी कैपेसिटी, फास्ट चार्जिंग, कॉस्ट, so many factors are there that limit. However, days are there, समय है जो हम इसको हम अवेलेबल कर पाएंगे, डोर टू डोर इसको पहुंचा पाएंगे हाइब्रिड इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स को. एफर्ट्स आर बीइंग डन. Thanks for the day. Thanks for giving me a patience listening. Once again, thank you very much.